To check for bathroom leakages, especially if it feels like your toilet is constantly running, utilize a few drops of food coloring in the toilet tank. If water is leaking right into the bowl, you will certainly see shades of color in about a half an hour or so. Changing storage tank components can repair leakages and greatly save money on water consumption. To prevent freezing pipes in the winter season, make sure to shield any kind of bare pipelines in your cellar before wintertime comes. If you have had a problem with any type of specific pipe freezing in the past, use towels or foam insulation to help protect these pipelines. Mainly any pipes that may be near the outside walls, in the basement or other locations where it would be colder than normal. Kitchen and bathroom pipes are commonly located on exterior wall surfaces and also ices up more so than interior wall surface pipes. Keep your furnace at a secure temperature throughout the winter. If you crack open the cupboard doors under the kitchen sink or the bathroom sink to let some warm air in, this often will help to avoid pipes from freezing. If when you flush your toilet you have noticed that it doesn't flush or move as fast as it should, this is usually a really good indication that something is wrong. It can likewise cause backups as well as overflows. Now, there are several possible causes for a slow flushing toilet. Some include products that has collected in the pipes, other possible obstructions in the pipe, or issues with the toilet tank and water. If your sewer and also main lines keep blocking, then it is very possible that you have a tree root blockage problem. This problem is typically really expensive. For that reason, it might need a professional to find out and address the issue entirely. Could be tree roots, dirt, cracked pipes, etc. If you intend on doing any work to your pipes, you should guarantee that you recognize what the codes and also legislations are where you live. You're required to recognize specifically just how far a pipe has to be from electrical, for instance, or exactly how big a pipe has to be to code. It is always better to hire a professional plumber in these cases. Call us now. We are here to help.